In this video, I'll be giving you 3 simple ways to earn money through blockchain technology. And also remember, the world of cryptocurrency, as thrilling as it is unpredictable, but your passion and perseverance is what will drive you far in this ecosystem. You can get to earn money in cryptocurrencies, especially when you're capitalizing on market volatility, developing blockchain applications. You don't have to know what it takes. Make sure there is a value attached to the particular application you're creating or bringing out in the ecosystem. If you're interested to explore opportunities to earn money through blockchain technology, sit tight and watch this video to the end. And if you're watching me for the first time, subscribe to this channel, click the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. And also remember, the world of cryptocurrency, as thrilling as it is unpredictable, but your passion and perseverance is what will drive you far in this ecosystem. One of the ways with which you can earn money in the blockchain technology is by cryptocurrency trading. Cryptocurrency trading is one of the ways to earn money in blockchain technology. By involving in crypto trading, buying and selling of coins, you can get to earn money in cryptocurrencies, especially when you're capitalizing on market volatility. And also, you have to apply some trading strategies like day trading. Most traders often deploy strategies like day trading, swing trading, and futures, and more of the other ones. So you just need to come in, know the type of trade you want to go with. If it's futures, you go into futures. You know what it takes to start trading futures. If it's day trading, you come in, know what it takes for you to be doing day-to-day trading. If it's swing trading, you also come in and know what it takes for you to start involving in swing trading. It's also essential that you should be aware of market trends, be so much aware about what's happening in the market, what's going on. Just stay updated, listen to news about the cryptocurrencies, how everything is going. Stay savvy, be so much committed to it. Never stay without knowing what's going on in the market and what's going on with the cryptocurrencies. You need to stay updated. By so doing all these things, you can be able to place market very well and earn massive money. So trading of cryptocurrencies is also one of the ways with which you can earn money through blockchain technology. Another way to earn money through blockchain technology is by staking and yield farming. This has to do with you locking up certain amount of cryptocurrencies to earn rewards in return. And also, yield farming involves providing liquidity to decentralized finance platforms whereby you get passive income. All these two combined together are one of the ways you can make money in blockchain technology. You just have to know the type of project, the type of networks you're providing liquidity to, the type of project you're locking up your cryptocurrencies to. Make sure it's a legit project so that you don't get scammed at last. Make sure you know the foundation of the project, of the network, so that you know what you're doing. Don't just go and put or lock up your cryptocurrencies to a wrong project and later you lost them. That's why you need to come into the ecosystem, learn the things that you need to know, learn what it takes for a project to be worth investing in. Don't just come in and be so quick to go and put your cryptocurrency or the little liquidity you have to a project and you lost it. At the end, you might be saying crypto is a scam, of which it's not. Stay savvy, always be open to learning. So staking and yield farming is one of the ways with which you can earn money through blockchain technology. Another way to earn money through blockchain technology is by developing blockchain applications. Those people with technical expertise, they make money by developing blockchain applications, the apps, or creating them. They create and attach value to these apps whereby people get to come and engage in, and as people are engaging, they can monetize it by transaction fees or premium futures. You don't have to know what it takes to start up a blockchain application. Have the technical experience, have the technical skills. People who create the apps, they make a lot of money. There is a lot of money in it. You don't have to know what it takes. Make sure there is a value attached to the particular application you're creating or bringing out in the ecosystem, so that if people come in, let them see solution to it. Let it be a problem solving in the ecosystem. Let it not just be there for nothing, because if people are not engaging on it, you can't be able to monetize it by transaction fee, or be able to have a way which you can be able to generate money from it. Make sure your application, the application you're building, the application you're creating, has a value. There's a value attached to it. Let it be a problem solving application. You understand me, right? Don't just build a D app that has no value. Let it be a D app that if people come to it, let them see solution to their problems, let it solve their problems. Thereby you start seeing a lot of people engaging and hopping on it. So developing blockchain applications is also one of the ways with which you can earn money in the blockchain technology. Let's stop here. If I say I'll tell you all of them, this video will be too long, so I'll continue with some of them in the next video, and make sure you don't miss it, because those one might be the most important and the ones you've been looking for. Watch out for the next one. Also, make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video. Click the notification bell to get notified when I'll post a new video. Thank you guys for watching.